Hello, Rebecca Cothe here, back for another eyeball tickling time-lapse painting, and today I'm going to do something a bit different for you because I have discovered the wonders of scratch paper. Yes, I've been living under a rock. I've not known about it before. Basically, it's a black sheet that you get, and if you scratch away, you can reveal coloured paper underneath, and you can do really good patterns. So let's have a go at a really easy mandala, which you can have a go with too. Now I'm going to start off by just scratching away a square. Everything looks better in a square. Oh my word, look at that. Oh, look at that, that is cool. That colour. Now if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. So let's start off with just a really easy pattern. I think we'll go in circles all the way up like that instead of doing a centre one. It'd be a bit easier just to keep the pattern steady. Oh, it's so nice with the colours underneath. Let's do some balls. Wow, that was so much fun to do. I think it's turned out pretty well. I'm definitely going to be doing more scratch art. I've got some other different packs as well that I've bought, so check out my next video if you've enjoyed this one. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you've enjoyed it. Catch you next time on Beckstraws.